Hey guys, what's happening? How to change a Facebook account on Monopoly Go. First of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Go ahead and open it up. Okay, open the Monopoly Go app, and of course you're gonna log in using your account. But if you logged in using your Facebook like I did, you can disconnect it. You can disconnect and use a different account. You can disconnect it by clicking the three bars at the top right, and then click the settings, and then go ahead and click manage account. Okay, and you're gonna be able to see your Facebook, and you can see the button disconnect that applies to all social platforms, and you can go ahead and hit disconnect, and basically you're gonna be able to use other platforms like Apple in that case. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.